It was Holi morning in the magical rainbow jungle. The big clearing was filled with excitement as animals gathered with colorful powders made from flowers and leaves. Sheru the tiger arrived first. Soon, Bholu the bear joined him. And then Cheeku the monkey swung down from the trees. At first, everyone smiled. But then, the arguing began. Sheru puffed out his chest.
Yellow is the color of the sun. Everything should be yellow today.
Bholu folded his arms.
No. Blue is the color of the sky and the river. Blue is the best.
Cheeku crossed his tail stubbornly.
You're both wrong. Red is bold and beautiful.
Instead of celebrating together, they tried to prove their color was the best. The tigers stayed yellow. The bears stayed blue. The monkeys stayed red.
Yellow shines brighter than any color. Blue is stronger and calmer than yellow.
Red is bold and exciting. That's what Holi needs. Red makes it alive.
The jungle didn't look joyful anymore. It looked divided. Suddenly, the ground began to shake. Raja, the wise elephant, stepped into the clearing carrying cool river water in his trunk.
My dear children, every color has its own beauty. Holi is about celebrating them all.
He lifted his trunk high into the air. Water sprayed everywhere, and something magical happened. Yellow mixed with blue and turned green. Blue mixed with red and became purple. Red mixed with yellow became bright orange. The animals looked at their colorful fur and burst into laughter. They finally understood. By the end of the day, the jungle was filled with hugs, laughter, and every color imaginable. And that is how the rainbow jungle truly earned its name.
See? Every color is beautiful on its own, but when we mix and share, we create something even more beautiful. Holi is most special when we play with love. Always play gently. Use natural and safe colors. Never throw color into someone's eyes. And always make sure your friends are happy too. Let's keep everyone safe and make it a joyful Holi. Happy Holi, friends!